Hello everyone. Good evening. How are you? Okay, so before we start, okay, please help me to click like and share this video. Okay, so today content, okay, will be the same. We'll go through the market outlook, which include the US market, oil, gold, cryptocurrency, and FBM KLCI, and follow with the stocks Q&A. So let me know if you have any stocks you want me to review, okay, as I can see already got a Q&A on Hatalega, Inari. Okay, later we will review. Okay, let me know your intention as well, okay, whether you are looking for EP or you already entered, okay, at which level, your average price, and your maybe you want to hold for long term, short term, or swing trade or day trade, okay, also can, so that I can give a better advice based on the TA point of view. Okay, disclaimer, okay, all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or just for education purposes. Okay, let's go for the US market first. Okay, US market so far, okay, still very bad lah. Okay, especially yesterday we can see the market already break down below 31.25k. Okay, so if by tonight still unable to recover above this level, we are seeing more downside, maybe to 30.6k or even lower. Okay, do take note that tomorrow, okay, Thursday, 9 p.m. Okay, 9:10 okay, 9:10 p.m. got the Fed Powell speech. Okay, this may impact the market. Okay, previously he caused the market deep down lah. Okay, this time don't know whether will make the market reversal or not. So we will see lah. Okay, we will see. Most probably the big move. Okay, probably tomorrow lah. Okay, Thursday. But so far still in bear mood lah. Still in bear mood. And S&P as well already okay resisted by 3940, unable to go above. So we are seeing they might go back to test 3850. Okay, Nasdaq as well. Okay, yesterday closing bearish and so far try to supported by 12k lah. If this level unable to hold, we are seeing more downside. Okay, maybe next support is 11.5k. Okay, long time no see you and stock market. Okay, stock market. Okay, this year not so good lah. Okay, this year not so good. Okay, how about the oil? Okay, US oil so far so weak lah. Okay, but currently they are at one of the support, which is about 86. So I'm seeing 86 and 84 is their important support. Okay, this level need to hold. If they break down, we will see more crash down on the oil. Okay, this one is a WTI, so do take note 84 and 86, they need to stay well. And how about the gold? Okay, gold yesterday got attempt to make a comeback, but the end of day closing still very weak. Okay, we can see by end of day got some rejection, but so far they try to support it by 1007. Okay, for gold, watch out 1680 and 1007. Okay, this is an important level for gold. If this level unable to hold, we are seeing more downside. If this level can hold, okay, we are seeing potential rebound from this zone. Okay. And at the moment, dollar index, okay, for the dollar, they are still very, very strong. Okay, we are seeing they might heading to 111 or even higher. So that's why you can see USD MRR is strengthening. Okay, and Bitcoin, okay, not doing good lah. Okay, at the moment, okay, yesterday closing very bearish. Okay, break below 19.5k. Okay, and touch 18.8k. Okay, so far the price action is still bearish. If they break below 18.8k, we are seeing more downside, maybe 18k or 17k. And Ethereum as well, okay, they attempt to go back to test 1007 now, okay, but Kena rejected, okay, closing not so good. Okay, so they may go back to retest 1004. And how about KLCI? Okay, KLCI last, I think Monday, right? Monday, I do mention that their support is at 1484. Okay, Monday, I think I do mention before. so far, okay, today still doing not that bad. Okay, so far we can see they tested the support and supported very well. So if tomorrow, okay, the US market closing not too bad, okay, at least close green now, okay, we are seeing potential bounce out for KLCR, maybe to the 20 MA 1498 or 1005. Okay, and if fear to stay above 1484, we are seeing more downside, maybe 1470, 1460. Okay, next is the stocks Q&A. Okay, let's go for the first question. Okay, looking for EP long term. Okay, can Hatta Lega. I think previously I do mention 160, right? Okay, so far they already cross over. Okay, the MACD wise looks not too bad. Okay, but the volumes okay lah. Okay. As we can see, these few days since end of August until now, so far they tested 160 multiple times already. Okay, of course they do have a breakdown. Okay, they do have attempt to break until 158. So if you are looking for EP, okay, at the moment okay, they are yet to stable yet. Okay, but this I think is quite attractive lah. Okay, 158160. Okay, if you want to set the stop loss, maybe you set the stop loss below 150. If fear to stay above 150, I think we will see another sell down lah. Okay, probably about 140 or 135 there already. Okay, so this is for me lah, is one of the important level already lah. About 153. Okay, so I give them buffer until 150 lah. If really go below 150, I think got chance to visit 135 or 125. Okay, so overall the trend is still very bearish, and yeah, they may happen like this okay, sideways. Once got a breakdown, they will sell down again. So currently they are back in sideways. So we still don't know this is a distribution or accumulation zone. Okay, if they break down, meaning that still not good lah. Okay, they might go to the level I mentioned earlier. Okay, if they can get supported and rebounded up, okay, we may see some potential bounce up or some rally up to maybe 2 ringgit 260. But at the moment for glove healthcare, the team I think temporarily okay, still not okay, consider over okay, not yet come also. Okay, so need to wait need some times. How about Inari? Inari, I think Monday, right? Yeah, Monday I do mention this is a potential hammer. Okay, they really bounce out from this level but kena rejected Okay, kena rejected here about the 50 MA, which is about 273. Okay, so far today closing consider not too bad, 271. Okay, for short term wise, they still have a potential maybe to retest 273 or even go to 278. But for long term, the entry I think still not so attractive Okay, now it's more suitable for short term trade. For long term, I think a better level okay, about 240, 250 there, only start look into it Okay, otherwise this is more suitable for the short term trade. Okay, how about the pharma? Pharma pun downtrend ini. Let me see Pharma is in the downtrend Okay. Even though last year they do have a good spike out, but after the spike out they turn into downtrend. Okay, recently keep on trading within below the 200 MAs. Okay, unable to go through 200 MAs. We can see they tested so many times. Unable to go through 200 MAs. So also indicate that they are still in the downtrend. They are still very weak. Especially recently, they are still below all moving averages. Okay, MACD also not so good looking. So yeah, their immediate support let me see immediate support is about 560, but I see not so strong okay, not so strong. Maybe 480 already like that. Yeah, maybe we wait around 480. Yeah, minimum need to wait around 480 I think it's a safer place, or the gap support 405. Okay, so for me, pharma, KIV first. Okay, KIV first. Unless you cannot wait already, here you can use support 560 is your immediate support. Cut loss if go below 540. Okay, if it really go below 540 lah, okay, they might visit 480. Okay, 480. Okay, now is only we see this support lah back in 2021. Okay, but already break lah. I think overall the trend is quite weak. Okay, most likely lah, the chances of breaking down is quite high lah. Okay, how about POS? Okay, POS is still okay. POS, they do have a spike out on 24th of August. Okay, yesterday also got spike out with volume, but today got some profit taking lah. Okay, some profit taking. So if we look into the bigger trend, okay, POS actually is in the downtrend lah. Okay, wow, the trend since when? Since 2018 until today they are still pressured by the 200 MAs lah. Okay, so yeah, they do have attempt to break out before lah, back in 2020 November, but only last for a few months. Okay, recently they also got attempt to make a comeback already lah. Okay, so far they stay above 200 MA is quite well. So I think for post lah, okay, even short term I think also okay, can see lah. Okay, maybe 630, 635 can consider. Okay, cut loss below 615. Okay, so I'm betting that they will stay above 200 MAs. But if go below 200 MAs, most likely will continue downtrend or continue sideways. Okay, but I see the potential is there lah. Okay, potential is there. So can KIV and their resistance that they need to break out is 680, which is the gap resistance. Okay, already rejected once. So if they can go through 680, maybe we can see 750, 780. So I think this one, yeah, can KIV lah. Okay, can KIV. MGRC. Macam tak boleh yet lah, this one. Let me see. Still very weak this one not so good this one. Okay, if we look at their pattern okay, their pattern they climb out so slowly every day, slowly go up but when they sell down it's a fast and furious just 3 or 4 days or just 1 week to settle all the uptrend already. Okay, this time also. So I think they not so soon okay. So they this just happened back in last year, right? Last year October and yeah, December, November then. Okay, after that you can see even the rally also no strength already. Okay. You see, this rally also no strength back in February, and the most recent one, July. Okay, they do have a short run up lah, but mid July, okay, 20th of July onwards, they do have a strong sell down. So I think not so soon will come back lah. So may need some times, and even they can come back. Okay, also I don't think they will go too far lah. Okay, so maybe your immediate support 650, 620 lah, but I not so confident with this one lah. Okay, even they can go up, maybe it's 100 MA, 785, 840 there. Hello, bro, Bear Son. Okay, long time no see. Okay, please review PPHBB stack support resistant. Okay, PPHB first lah. Okay, PPHB hit resistance 660. Okay, but so far, let me see. Shoot up on Monday. So far, they still stay above the 615, but unable to go through 660. So for me, 660 is their first resistance, second resistance, 680 and 70 cents. And for the support, 615. As long as above 615, I think it's still alright. So far, I think it's still okay lah. But watch out 660 lor. How about B stack? Ini not so strong still weak okay, for me they already for me lah, okay, the story already end okay, this is a uptrend, right? Okay, and then the market sideways over here, So this box could be a distribution and they break down 70 cents, break down 200 MAs. So for me, they are still very weak. Okay, even today, closing is a bullish candle, but the volumes is extremely low. Okay, so for me, not so convinced lah. So for the support, 60 cents first lah. Okay, but if can just avoid first lah. And for the resistance, we use 200 MA lah, which is about 660665. Good evening. Okay, let me see. The next question is EP for Kawan. Kawan cannot EP lah. Okay. If based on technical point of view, okay, at the moment is a place for people to take profit already lah. Okay. Especially about 222 level. Okay, this is the okay. If we look back in 2020 lah, okay, this is a support market gap down. Okay, if we look closely, this is a gap. Okay, this is a gap about 222, and if we scroll back, okay, recently already hit or reaching, approaching already. So for me, it's a no yet lah. So if you want wait for a pullback, okay, or a retracement, okay, back in the first time they tested is 20 MA ma. So I think by the time should be around 210, 208 lah. Only consider. Otherwise, now a little bit risky lah. Okay, a bit risky. And they already rally up okay, for so many days. Still haven't have a retracement yet. So I think better wait first lah. Okay, at least a minimum about 210, 208 only consider. Okay, review SFP. Okay, just click like for me can already. Okay, okay. So far SFP review only, right? Okay, so far volume, lack of volume, but so far they are still all right. Okay, they still can stay above the 20 MA. Okay, so far 20 MA yet to break down. But in my opinion, they are a little bit topish. Okay, although the data is limited, okay, because the chart is starting from 20th of June only, right? But based on the MACD, what we can see a little bit topish lah. Okay, a little bit, okay, bearish divergence. Okay, also indicate that this rally might get weakening. Okay, doesn't mean that they will or reverse or what. Okay, just indicate that the upside may be limited. Okay, so if I'm wrong, okay, if they still can go up, watch out your resistance 140, and maybe we can use a 20 MA as our defense line lah. Okay, maybe by the time maybe 120 is a safer level. Okay, as long as they stay above 120, the uptrend is still okay. Okay, and still have the potential to hit 140. But if they break below 120, maybe they might visit 107. Okay, 107 is a last warning already lah. Okay, if really go below 107, most likely they might reverse down back. Okay, so be careful. Okay, take note 107 last defense, and 120 is your immediate support. But the trend is still all right. Okay, trend is still all right, and volume, yeah, boleh tahan lah. Okay, SNS next. Too new already, bro. Okay, this one fourth day only Okay, to be honest, I can't read much things. Okay, not many data for me to analyze lah. Okay, so I only can rely on the smaller time frame loh. Okay, smaller time frame, but 50-minute charts. What I see is they might go back to retest 250. Okay, that's the things I can say lah. And we can see the high is getting slightly lower. Okay, just like that only lah. But nothing much lah. Based on the 4 days chart, I can't comment much. Okay, so maybe we wait for the price to retest 250 and see whether it can get supported or not. Okay. Okay, coaster. Coaster. Coastal is oil related, right? So okay, so far Coastal still okay. Yesterday still got volume pump out. Today closing neutral lah. Okay, but the resistance, okay, 192 tested multiple times already. They need to break through. So your immediate resistance, 192, and the next resistance, 2 ringgit. Okay, which is a June resistance. And for your support, okay, 180. Okay, and immediate support 185. Okay, 185, 180. And how about the Tiguan? Tiguan also not bad. Today got volume. Yesterday also tested the 200 MA, tested 250. Okay, although no volume lah. Okay, today spike out with some volume, so seems like not too bad. Okay, but they already hit the resistance. Okay, 263. Okay, this line I draw earlier lah, so just happened today just hit. So if you want another level, 266 lah. Okay, 266. And for the support, since today got a spike out, we use 258 like that lah. Okay, around here. 258 as your immediate support. And last defense, we use the 200 MA, so 248. Okay, 248. Textum. Textum, this one need be careful sikit lah. Okay, slightly weak already. Okay, ever since on 2nd of September, okay, they break down 335. Then they do bounce up a little bit, but unable to go back above 335. Okay, today closing 328. So in my opinion, slightly weak. Okay, especially this level need to take note 311. Okay, if they break down, they may go to 275 or even lower. Okay, but if they can get supported, maybe still got chance lah. And first thing first, they need to break and go above 335. Okay, then we only look into the 20 MA lah, which is about 345. And yep, next is a KLCI support. Yep, 1480. Sorry, 1484. Okay, MSC. MSC, okay, they do have a breakdown, but recently, okay, they do able to climb back above, okay, especially yesterday, climb back up. Okay, MACD not too weak, okay, still acceptable. Okay, so, okay, want to review only lah. Okay, trend, confirm is downtrend lah. Okay, confirm is weak. But if you are looking for potential bounce out from this level, okay, they need to break above 190 first lah. Okay, once they can clear above 190, I think got chance to do some bounce up trade. Okay, otherwise if they get resisted by 190, they might go down again. Okay, overall they're still weak and volume wise okay only lah. Okay, okay only, and I need to see them to go back above 190. Okay, also is a 20 MA mah. Okay, how about the B plan? Weak also lah. Okay. The MACD already crossed down below zero center line. Okay, and the market break below 20 and 200 MA, break below 785. Okay, so this we can see end of August, they do have a breakdown. Even the pullback also like lack of strength lah. Okay, so not so good lah. Let me see the CPO. CPO also not so good lah. CPO recently also quite weak. Okay, but do take note on 3006. Okay, 3006. If can hold, maybe still got chance to bring up the sentiment. Okay, if they break down, most likely 3004 or 3002. But overall for CPO, we can see the trend already into downtrend. So I don't think the plantation got the trend. I think the trend temporarily finish already. Okay, good evening. Done like. Please review GOB. Okay, thank you for your like. Hey, GOB EP355. Wow, your entry a little bit dangerous, but lucky thing the trend is still alright. Okay, but for me, Your resistance is about 370 lah. Okay, about 370. So need to take note lah. And your EP a little bit too high already. Okay, probably someone suddenly tell you for more, fear of missing out and jump in. Okay, 355 slightly higher price. And we can see yesterday they do have a good breakout, good volumes. But today got gonna press down. Okay, volume slightly higher. So what I foresee is they might go back to retest maybe 340, 335. Okay, and when the price visit 340, 335, I think is the better chance to EP lah. Okay, instead of today jump in 355, I think slightly higher. Okay, even they can go up. Okay, their resistance, immediate resistance, probably about 370. So your risk reward ratio okay only lah. How about E metal? But the trend is still good lah. So maybe you still got chance Okay, E metal they do have a breakout yesterday. Okay, break above 660 with volume, and today retrace. Okay, some profit taking, so we are foreseeing they might go back to retest. Okay, this was a resistance right? Now turn into support. So the price may go back to retest 660, okay, or even lower, maybe 645 there lah. If they can get supported, maybe still got a chance to rally up. Okay, but okay lah, these two the stocks you pick, at least they are not into a very bad shape. Okay, they still have some potential. Okay, review Ying Shen S1, S2, R1, R2. Ying Shen. Okay, I watch out on the mother first lah. Okay. Okay, Ying Shen today break out. Okay, break up the 200 MAs with volumes. Okay, and break out above 220. So as long as they stay above 220, they are still safe. And watch out on this. Okay, this level about so near only 231 lah. Okay, 231. Your immediate resistance. And they do happen like this before. Break and then sell down. Okay, today is the first breakout. Okay, I hope they can go up further lah. Okay, if they get resisted they might gonna press down lah. Okay, so watch out 231. If they can clear off, yep, 244 already. Okay, and for your support, I use back 220 lah. If tomorrow they go back down below 220, most likely it's a force breakout, and market may go back down to 205. Okay, Yingsen WA. So mother okay, I think the sun also okay. Oh, okay, maybe the sun just released. They want to, okay, not sure lah. Okay, maybe push the mother price, and so that they can sell the sun lah. Okay, so far I see nothing yet. Okay, and for the sun, just take note on 56550 lah. Okay, as long as the sun, okay, stay above 550, I think it's still all right. And due to this is a new warrant, okay, we need to use the Fibonacci already lah. I agak pull 645 lah, next resistance. Okay, 645. Your EP 550. Yeah. Yeah, actually your entry not bad lah. At least it's at the support. Okay, maybe you need to find a place to set a protection now. Okay, we don't from a profit into losses. You don't hold your profit until become a loss. So maybe you set your trading stop maybe at 565, 570 also can. Got lots of Gintech. Let me see Gintech. Shit. Gintech is still supported. Okay, I think maybe your entry is higher lah. But so far for Gintech, 230, 233 is our support. Okay, if they can stay, and the Nasdaq, if tonight got rebound, okay, maybe they still have the chance to go up, maybe to test the 200 MAs or 250. But if tonight Nasdaq break below 12K, okay, they have the potential to break below 230 lah. Okay, if they break below, then 220 already lah. Okay, but so far even they can go up, I think I will just see some rebound trade lah. Okay, maybe to 250 maximum lah. Okay, how about EP and RS Atams. Okay, this one long time no see also. So far supported, nothing much lah. No story. Okay, today bounce out, but they do have some overhead resistance, which is at 30 cents, 31 cents. Okay, but so far I see 270 is still supported. Okay, still stay. So maybe still got chance. But they need to break through these two levels first. 30 cents and 310. Once they can clear off, still have potential to retest here. 350. Okay, and the big trend is still downtrend. Okay, they are still downtrend. So most probably this few weeks or these few months, they might just sideways lah. So maybe your strategy is buy support, sell resistance. Okay, so either you wait for the breakout above 310, only do a breakout trade, jump in and TP maybe 340, 350, or you wait for the price to retest, okay, maybe 280, 275, cut loss below 270. Okay, okay, let me see. Renew core, I think. Okay, 250. Wow, this one downtrend Okay, before 2021, they do have a good rally and then turn into downtrend. Sideways downtrend, 200 MA unable to go through. Now nothing much, but recently they do have more trading activities lah. Okay, at least we can see compare with before June recently they do have more trading activities, but the trend is still downtrend now. Okay, although they have more trading volumes, okay, this could just another sideway lah. Okay, so far they supported by 220, resisted by 325. So what I see is they might just sideway over here for some times until a breakout. Okay, so takes time lah. Okay, and MACD still not that bad as long as they can stay above 220. I think still have some potential. Okay, break below then no game lah. Okay, Ma Sing. Sing spike up, hit 200 MA, kena rejected down. Okay, actually the trend is still alright. If we see the MACD, actually it's quite bullish. Okay, but they unable to go through here. Okay, I think previously I draw the line is 650 lah. Maybe now I revise to 655. Also, it's a 200 MAs. But today closing slightly weak lah. Okay, just be careful. Okay, if we look into this chart, this is a 15 minutes chart. What happened at 11 a.m. Okay, before 11 they do have spike out, and 11 a.m. they hit here and rejected down high volumes. Okay, so maybe also indicate that got big seller over here lah. But lucky thing after lunch the price is still able to stable lah. They no continue sell down. So we KIV for another days. Okay, let me see on 5 minutes any signal. Yeah, 5 minutes also can see 11 a.m. They do have a strong sell down. Okay, after that the price stabilize. Okay, so 655, 650 is the resistance. So if they can go back down to read, as long as lah, okay, for massing, as long as they stay above 620, we still can see lah. Okay, we still can see look. But if they break below 620, most likely may go back to 60 cents or even lower. KGB. KGB review or EP Actually, KGB is still attractive lah, okay, but currently they hit 200 MA lah, okay. I'm not sure whether they still want to make a comeback or not. Okay, here what we can see back in August, right? Wait, let me see. Yeah, mid-August they do have a strong rally, hit 200 MA, but gonna rejected. Okay, and then they go back down to test 100 MA, test 120, and rally up again. Now tested another time for the 200 MA. So got two way lah. One is Okay, they can break above 138 and continue spike out. Another is history. Okay, repeat back what happened. Okay, so maybe they hit here, continue sell down. Okay, if they continue sell down. Okay, first level 133, second level 128. If go below 128, most likely not so good already lah. Okay, they might go back to revisit 120. Okay, another is even they can break above 138. I also afraid this is one of the resistance. So for me, maybe I will watch out 133 first. If they can get supported, maybe I will see got chance to do some short term trade or not. Okay, and 138 need to break through 142. Okay, 138, 142 is your R1, R2. Okay, but I think, let me see the trend. Oh, trends not so strong lah. Okay, not so strong. Maybe yeah, I'll watch out on 133 whether they want to get supported or not. Okay. Let me see. LGMS. LGMS EP cannot. Okay. Okay, this one thing. Okay, first thing, this is a new counters. Okay, back in June until now. When okay, I assume about 2 to 3 months data only, and they already rally up. Consider much already lah for current market sentiment from their low to the high, about 80% already. So even they still have further upside. I think also limited lah. Okay, so for me, I will more prefer to wait around ringgit and 99 cents. Okay, if they can come back down and get supported, I only consider. But if they break below 99 cents, most likely they might U-turn to go back below, okay, go back maybe 840 or even lower. But for me, this is a quite new counters lah, and at the moment, no good entry yet lah. Okay, so wait for some retracement, or you can use a 20 MA as a guideline. Infotech. Same counter. Not same counter. Same IPO also. Okay. 13th of July until now. Okay. This one got lesser data for me to analyze. But so far they are still bullish, they are still uptrend. But if speaking about EP lah, I think not so safe lah. Okay, not so safe. And if we agak-agak from their low to their high, it's about 60% already. Okay. So even they can go up. What I see maximum is maybe 480 lah. Okay. Today already hit one of the resistance, 455. I think this one Monday I do review before, right? And I think I use the Fibonacci to draw. So 455 already hit, and if they can go up further, 480. But if you're looking for EP, I think your risk reward ratio and the chances of stay in the penthouse is quite high lah. Okay, wait for some pullback or retracement lah. Okay, if they can come back down back, okay, maybe around 405, something like that, only consider lor. Okay, Yingsen covered already. Okay, Resin Tech. Okay, I notice you every time also like to ask this one. Okay, this one. Okay, if based on the momentum lah, okay, they are still weak. Okay, the MACD still show that they are still weak. But if you want to try for the bottom fishing, okay, potential rebound trade. Yeah, of course, 50 cents. So, and yeah, here is the support zone back in July. We can see they do bounce out from this zone. So now they back in this zone. As long as they stay above 50 cents, 470, okay, still have potential. But the bounce out, I don't think will go up very high lah. Okay, maybe 565, 580 only. Okay, you need to see the closing price. If the closing price below 470, most likely no good already. They might crash down to 440 or even lower. Okay, Sim Plantation. Okay, just now I think I do cover on plantation. weak. Still weak. Okay, what we can see on recent performance. What happened to Sim Plantation? Okay, story start from here lah. Okay, what we can see, they do topish at here and MACD go down. So this is a bearish divergence, breakdown, strong sell down. Okay, supported 380, rebound, hit 100 MA. Okay, let's zoom in again. Okay, zoom in what we can see here. 19th of August, 1st of September. Hit, unable to go through. Okay, this is a 100 MA. Okay, and this is a 20 and 200 MAs. Okay, so far they keep kena strong rejection. You can see they climb out, so use so many days to climb out, but only 4 days to clear off the gains. Okay, this one even worse. Okay, 1 day, second day clear off. So what I see on these counters even they can go up maybe 442, 450. Okay, they may face another strong sell down. Okay, so this one maybe we wait for the price to stabilize first lah. Okay, or not so strong lah in my opinion. Okay. Okay, EP and TP for big. Big, I think not in the team, right? Long time no hear. This one also downtrend. Okay, here what we can see last year they do have a good pump lah. Okay, pump and dump down. Okay, after that what happened? Okay, end of December. Okay, if we notice on the orange line, they keep get resisted by 200 MAs. Okay, this also indicate that they are bearish, they are weak, and the price gonna pressure by multiple moving averages lah. Okay, for me, it is not so recommend to do anything on these counters. But if you are looking for a stronger support, okay, I think we can wait around here lah, 605. Okay, of course, here got the immediate support lah, which is about 685 there. Okay, but recently they bounce out. If you see here, rejected, right? Sell down, supported, bounce up, rejected again. Okay, so even they can go up, also may get rejected by the 100 MAs. Okay, quite weak especially if they break below 685. I think got chance to visit 605. SolarVest. Okay, SolarVest volume tak cukup ini got the uptrend but okay, let me see anything I can say They do have a breakout on 25th August, okay, but the next few days they they straight sell down. So this is a false breakout already lah, okay. So what happened? Okay, it's a rally, breakdown, rebound, but macam a little bit rejected lah, okay. Volume not enough. Okay, so for this one I have no idea on the EP yet. Okay, I want to see if the next few days they can stay above if they can stay above 750 there lah. Okay, maybe still got chance Okay, I pull down to here. If they can stay above 750, maybe still got chance to do some bounce up to 785. But if they break below 750, then you watch out 730 whether can get supported or not. If cannot, most likely you will go back to 705 or even lower. Okay, next is Chengyu. Let me see new counters as well. Okay, recently this year the IPO counters they quite kind okay. Most of them I notice okay lah, at least they do have a good rally up lah. Okay, they break out above 50 cents lah. Okay, EP540. Wow, your EP is slightly higher. But never mind, since you're already EP and the trend is still okay. And if they can go out further, 580 lah. Okay, 580 lah. Then the support we use 50 cents. Okay, 50 cents is their major support. Okay, if they go below, most likely might visit 440 or even lower. Okay, since you already EP, your immediate support 525. And today got volumes lah, so still okay. Just that your entry okay slightly higher, and yeah, overall still okay. Trend is still there, and if can continue goes up, next resistance 580. Okay, based on the Fibonacci. Okay, how about the DNEX? DNEX, this one turn weak. Okay, they keep resisted by 200 MAs, got a sell down. So far supported by 790. Okay, 790,815. Okay, for DNEX, if want to play is do some rebound trade lah. Okay, so today closing is about 825. Okay, you can consider around 815, 820, and your TP you can aim 855. And if they go below, maybe you cut loss lah. Okay, either your cut loss is below 815 or your cut loss below 790. If go below 790, most likely I think may visit 750 already. Okay, so this is just a short-term trade only lah. Okay, how about the P-Trans? P-Trans, let me see P-Trans be careful sikit lah. A little bit divergence already lah. A little bit bearish divergence. Oh, you see the lines I draw. Okay, delete the bottom one, not so important already. Okay, what we can see on P-Trans sorry if you support resistance, okay, what never mind. Okay, most important, we look into the bigger picture first. Okay, this is back in 2017, 2020, 21, 21, and recently. Okay, what we can see on their resistance. Okay, currently already at the resistance zone, right? So what we can see back in 5 or 6 year backs. Okay, once they hit here, they become downtrend. Okay, here also the same. Once they hit this area, they will become downtrend. So now already at this level, I don't think is suitable to do anything now lah. Okay, and if we base on the recent trend, recent performance, what we can see here. Okay, the price keep going up. Okay, but the MACD looks like slightly weaker. Okay, slightly weaker. Okay, not so divergence, but can see not so strong already lah. Okay, not so strong already. So once they have a breakdown, I think they will go into a downtrend. Okay, so now it's at the resistance zone already. Okay, 860 is their immediate support. And important level 7 785. Okay, if they really go below 785, most likely will turn into downtrend, maybe go to 620 or even lower. And if they don't want go down, continue goes up. Okay, maximum I see 90 cents, 94 cents. Okay, this one I think start to turn weak already lah. Okay, maybe not so soon will happen. Okay, but the feeling like not so strong already lah. Okay, be careful lah. Okay, how about this one, CCK? CK resistant unable to go through 620 as we can see last year October, November. Okay, this level keep resisted. Okay, even this year also same. June, okay, June tested twice already. And yesterday they do have a breakout with volumes lah. Okay, got a good candle, got a good volumes, but today gonna rejected down. So I think this CCK may go back to retest 60 cents 590. Okay, so 620 is their resistance. Kaskapi Scapi, let me see. Okay, wah, ini macam habis but now they at the bottom lah. So sometimes oversold, they can do some bounce up lah. Okay, 220 is their support lah. If we zoom out and see this is February last year. Okay, last year almost whole year they do supported quite well. Okay, around here 205 220. Okay, last year they do supported very well here. Okay, now they back to this zone. Okay, if they can stay above 205, or if you can give them buffer lah, 20 cents, as long as above 20 cents, maybe still got chance to bounce off. But if they break below 20 cents, most likely may go back to 125 or even lower. And the chances of going down, of course, is higher lah, because they already break below the 200 MAs, break below 100 MAs, break below 50 MA. Okay, so in my opinion, it's quite weak lah. Okay, quite weak. So yep. So the most you can do some bounce up trade. Oh, if they test 220, maybe can do some bounce up to 245, 250 or 100 MAs there. How about Sedanai? Sedaniai. Hey, got volumes finally. Okay, so far they go down all the way until 290 and then rebound up with some volumes. Do they break above 330 and break above 20 MA? Okay, so meaning that if the next few days, okay, let me zoom out. Okay, if the next few days the price can stay above 330, we are seeing potential bounce up to 390 or 40 cents. Okay, just a rebound trade lah. Okay, if they go below 330, they might go back to retest 290. Okay, so got volumes. Let me see MACD. Okay, crossover. So I think the bounce out trade still valid lah. Okay, still valid. Still can see. How about Gas Malaysia? You see, can come here. Okay, Gas Malaysia, they are still strong. I think 1, 2. Yeah, still okay lah overall. Still strong. Okay, still uptrend. And yeah, their resistance 360. If I put dollar a little bit, 360. If we put here and put 4 ringgit too far already 360, 375 lah. Okay, but overall they still consider uptrend still okay. Okay, as long as they can stay above 325, I think still alright. Okay, shift Okay, shift finally got some volumes lah. Okay, after some pullback. Okay, 50 cents supported. Today break above 530, got some volumes. So, but got a little bit resisted by the 20 MA lah, which is at 545. So we still use 535 as our support, or we can say 530 as our support. Okay, 530 our support. As long as stay above the rebound, I think it's still valid and still have the potential to maybe retest 575. Okay, Yingsen Won project therefore break up today. Okay, most important is if the breakout is after the news, we need to see just beware of maybe sell on news. So if the next few days still can stabilize, most likely the breakout is considered valid already. But if tomorrow sell down, you turn then consider sell on news and the breakout consider failed already. Okay, it's a K Power news. Oh, okay. Okay, I just know that K Power changed name. I not really read the company announcement. So usually the counters after Goreng Goreng the name boosted already they change new name. Okay, SFP Tech, what's the EP? Still can enter. SFP just now cover already, right? Still can enter. For me, oh, not so okay lah. Unless you just for short term trade, yeah, of course, short term trade okay. But if we look at the price, we use average maybe from the 62 cents until their peak, they're already rally up about 125, 125% already. Even I pull out from here, also 100% already. So for me, the upside, okay, still can go up a little bit more, but your risk reward ratio and the risk of you turn maybe will be higher. So just be careful. And for short term trade, as long as they stay above 120, I think still all right. Okay, because I use the 20 MA as the guideline. Okay, IOI. Hit, keep on hit the 200 MAs. But so far, they still doing sideways lah. Okay, momentum still ada. Okay, so I'm seeing they might just go sideways for another few weeks. Okay, or another few months. Okay, as long as they stay above 970, I think it's still all right. Okay, but so far they still unable to go through the 200 MAs. Okay, as we can see the orange line and the date. Okay, last year August, September, October. Okay, this year February and August. Okay, cannot go through at all. Okay, so I'm expecting the price may just go sideways. Okay, until the 200 MA come down and then market sideways only got chance to make a comeback. But overall, the structure I think still okay. Okay, still okay. Okay, review UWC. UWC today got high volumes. But the closing neutral lah, and the price actually is quite near the resistance so watch out also lah, be careful here back in March, right? Downtrend, right? And currently, okay, today closing is about 401, and here is the 200 MA already. Okay, so if unable to go through gonna rejected down especially if they break below this level 380. Okay, important level. If they break below 380, they may go back down. Okay, maybe 330, 3 ringgit or even lower. Okay, but if they can get supported, we need to see a breakout here. Okay, 417. They need to break above 417. They only have a new level, maybe 450 or 5 ringgit. If keep tested, unable to go through, and gonna press down below 380, be careful already. Okay, they might go back down. Okay, THERA. All right, I think this one. This one macam not so good lah. Last year got a pump and dump. This year got they do have a pump up, but recently already break down below 860 lah. So not so strong. So their immediate support for now is 80 cents. Okay, it break below 750 already. For me, slightly weak lah. This one not so good lah. Okay, how about SCOMNET? They still got 3 minutes. Just realize. Okay, SCOMNET so far they struggle at the 200 MAs. Okay, so for SCOMNET, they need to stay above 139. So long stay above 139, I think we still can look for opportunity. Okay, if go below 139, most likely no game ready. They might go to 125 or even lower. And your immediate resistance, stronger one, 155. CIMB, support resistance. Okay. Macam at the top pitch already, slightly weak. Let me delete all the lines lah, so we can draw again. 550, 557. Okay, what we can see based on the price action, the structure. Okay, this one is January. Okay, this year January, they hit 550, kena reject. February, okay, August, okay, now September. So what we have, what we can see. Okay, they always cannot go through this zone. Okay, and kena rejected very strong. So for me, current price is not so suitable for the buy lah, because the chances of getting rejected is quite high if we base on the history. Okay, so if they can press down, maybe minimum lah. Okay, a better place about 525. Okay, or we can use the 200 MA 515 can lah, 1515 lah. Okay, 515 525. Okay, minimum wait at here lah. Okay, and yeah, maybe got chance to visit 5 ringgit or even lower also, but we monitor these two level first lah. Okay, but at the moment I think it's a little bit risky for us to jump in lah. Okay, because we can see based on this year performance CMB unable to go through. Okay, and here also shows slightly weak. Okay, may have some retracement. Okay, UWC cover already. Okay, MyEG TP MyEG I think cover on Monday. Today bad not bad lah, huh? So far they spike out, hit one of the resistance at 850. Today closing 855. So you monitor, maybe I pull down a little bit, 840, 845 your entry, 835. So I put 845 lah. As long as they can stay above 845, you can watch out next resistance 880. Okay, 880. CNE. CNER. CNER. New counters again. You see, this year, most of the IPO stocks they quite kind. Released not long ago, they already have a good rally. Okay, this one from 50 cents to 1 ringgit is about 100% already. Okay, so be careful lah. Okay, sometimes they want to go rank one round first, okay, and then go sideways or go downtrend. Okay, for this one, support 840, resistance 1 ringgit. Nama Boso. Yep. Yeah, because uh most of the counters in Bursa, if you notice, they goreng after they goreng the Nama already boost, so they will change a new name and wait for few years. Okay, people may forget, and maybe new retailers will come in again. So yeah, they still can use a new name to goreng again. Okay, sorry to revise the comment. Yinsen does appear, but front okay for the project. Okay, not yet win the project. Okay, I see, I see. Okay, so today's sharing is under here. Okay, Hata does not cover already. Hata so far, I think last week I do mention that 160 is the support lah. But overall, I see the trend most likely lah will go sideways first lah. Okay, if you want the support is 160 and 153. Okay, if they unable, we give them a buffer until 150 lah. If they go below 150, most likely will have another sell down. Okay, so if we base on the performance, okay, back in June, July, okay, they also have a sell down sideways. Okay, at this time, we still don't know whether this level, okay, is a accumulation or the distribution. Okay, when they break down, it's a confirm that people want sell here. Okay, another sell down. So at the moment, Hata, they are still going sideways. So we are pending. Okay, we are pending for a breakout or breakdown. So if the price break below 150 lah, okay, most likely history may repeat. Okay, they may have a similar sell down. Okay, they may have a similar sell down. On the other hand, if they have a breakout, okay, maybe above 180 or breakout above 2 ringgit, okay, they may have some bounce up lah, maybe to 260 or even higher. Okay, so at the moment here is a place to bet that they want to go out, go down, or you want a more confirmation. Wait for the breakout first, only jump in. Okay, yeah, of course you earn lesser, but they give you a better insurance, better confirmation. Okay, got two way to play lah. Okay, either you jump in and you don't know sideways for how long, only come back. Okay, or you wait for the pending for a breakout, then you only jump in. Okay, last one, last one, Coraza. Coraza, let me see, a little bit struggles. Coraza, they need to go back above 750 lah. What we can see, this is a rally, right? They get supported and rebound up, but they already break down 750. Okay, even recently they got a pullback, but seems like still unable to go back above 750 lah. So at the moment for me is I don't know what they want to do yet. Okay, so not a good place to do any EP lah. Okay, because you see here used to be a resistance as well. Okay, so what I'm afraid is they might, okay, if they unable to go back up above lah, okay, they might sell down to maybe 690 or 660. Okay, so today's sharing session is until here, and our next sharing session is on next Monday 8:30. So yeah, thank you everyone for your time, and thanks Sifu for having me here, and thank you everyone. See you next week. Thank you.